This is a 2007 Dodge Ram Quad Cab, 51,000 miles, SLT, two-wheel drive, in absolutely remarkable condition. Black paint, bed liner, not a door ding on this truck. You'll be lucky to find a scratch on it. Very good condition. It does have a tow package with wiring, running boards, tires are in decent condition. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Rust-free Texas vehicle. Cloth interior is in very good condition. No rips, stains, or wear marks. Never smoked in. Original floor mats. AM, FM, CD. Cup holders still work. 51,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise. Interior is impeccable. Very good condition. Very, very good condition. So, 2007 Dodge Ram Quad Cab, SLT, 51,000 miles in remarkable condition.